Setting up Google Photos on iPhone. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you setting up Google Photos on iPhone. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. Open the app. Next, allow the app to access your photos. Now turn on the Back Up and Sync option. That's the main goal here. You can choose whether or not you want notifications. For free and unlimited backup, select Storage Saver, compressed quality. Now just log in with your Google account or create one if you don't have it yet and you're good to go. A couple of things to keep in mind. If you delete a photo from your iPhone's Photos app, it won't automatically get deleted from Google Photos. If you delete a photo from Google Photos, it'll ask if you also want to remove it from your device. Background uploading isn't always instant, so occasionally open the app while charging and on Wi-Fi to make sure everything's backed up. Edited photos in the Apple Photos app get saved as separate versions in Google Photos, so you'll have both the original and the edit. That's all for the video. Now your memories are a bit safer, even if your phone isn't.